That's okay. Hi, this is Petra and
Mike
from Wildcat Hollow Farm, and today we're taking you guys on a little trip. We decided to take a day off for ourselves from all this packing and stress and sorting through things, and do something for ourselves.
Drink beer.
Yeah, drink beer. No, maybe. We are going to the Abbey Weltenburg, which is about an hour, a little more than an hour away from us, and we are now...
It's the holy grail of the beer world.
Heading there. We're almost towards Kelheim, which is very close to it, and I'm going to switch to let you see some of the countryside here.
Kelheim is on the Donau, or in English it's the Danube River. We will have to go across it. Whoa, dump truck, or concrete truck. We'll have to go across the Danube to the other side, and from there it's about 5 miles to where the Abbey is at. And we're coming into Kelheim now. Then we get to go across the Danube River, and we'll get you some video with that if we can. We're getting ready to go across the Donau. Oh, there's the Donau. It's not very big here, but it gets really big. And here comes the main junction of the Donau. I think that we just went over was the Regnitz, or the Donau Canal, rather. Since it comes in here, yeah, here's the Donau. And it's a big river. Not quite as big as some in the United States, but for Germany, this is a pretty good one. It's 1,700 miles long, and it looks like it's coming down at a pretty good clip. Yep, we are in the little village of Weltenburg. We're about to take a right and head to the Abbey, and I just missed it. But we're going to cheat here and go around this side. That's what I get for talking and not paying attention. The Abbey's up this way. Oh, look at those rocks. And here's the major parking area, it would appear. So we're going to pull in here and park and walk our butts down to the Abbey. As soon as I figure out how to get in here. Parking, yep. Oh, there's the river. Abbey's around the corner up here. Petra and Barnaby are playing in the river. We look upstream. This is the Donau. It goes about 400 kilometers above here to the beginning at Donaueschingen. And we look down this way. It goes about 1,300 kilometers about 1,700 kilometers down to the Black Sea. And right around the corner of that bluff over there is the Weltenburg Abbey. And that's where we'll be headed here shortly. I don't know if you can hear it, but they got frogs down here that are going bonkers. Sorry for the noise. This is an unpowered ferry. It actually uses the current of the river to push it back and forth by changing the end or the side of where the cable is hooked. I think they'll probably change the side on it. This type of boat has been used on the Donau for about 3,000 years. The original ones used to be made out of wood. This one is a steel, but it's a flat bottom scow. And as you can see hanging off the back edge there, it has a steering oar if it's needed. But generally they only use the current. There's a cable that runs up to the cable in the sky over here, and it uses the pressure of the river to push it back across. It's pretty ingenious. And the Donau is a big recreation. Everybody canoes and kayaks this thing. They even have big party boats that go down it. Barnaby got thirsty. Yeah, and he's playing in the water. There's the river entrance to the Weltenburg. Give you a little history here. Weltenburg was founded somewhere between 600 and 620 AD by two disciples of Columbus, and later in the 1100s, if I remember right, it was turned into a Benedictine monastery. They started producing beer here in 1050 AD. And there's another brewery older in Germany, but they have not been producing beer continuously for more than 900 years. 966 years. Yeah, this has got a history of beer. Barnaby and Petra in the Danube. The bells in the background.
Honey, I'm not moving. I'm not getting anywhere.
He's like, I'm having,
make him tired.
wow, he's gonna pull you in.
Come on.
Those marks on the building right there are high water marks. Yeah, all the gun emplacements. So yeah, there were river pirates at one point. This is all part of the Jura limestone formation, and right here just downstream is what they call the Enge, which is where the river pinches together in between the two rock bluffs. Right at this point, the speed of the river more than doubles.
Im Nationalpark wird es direkt gesagt. Also da in Missouri ist sowieso, das ist jetzt auch kein Touristenstaat. Sehr arme Gegend. Normalerweise.
I don't know if you can hear me over the water. We are now headed to Kelheim on one of the tour boats downstream from the Abbey on the Donau. We're in the Enge now. It really pinches down here to, I don't know, about 100 feet wide. They had a lot of water going through here. Leave it to the Germans to put a beer garden in the flood zone. my lovely lady right there. She's drinking beer. This is not an easy paddle. You're gonna have to work to go up this one. Don't know exactly, but I guess that's about 300 feet. We almost at Kelheim now, or excuse me, Kelheim. Here's the start of the village over here on the side. I'd call that a pretty soft touchdown. And this is the downstream side of the Enge, the pinch.
Flat Paris after being defeated in Leipzig. Here in the 15th century, this place has a special name, a so-called rock church. The natural cave in the limestone forms the nave of this church, so only one wall had been erected over the Danube.
Die Höhle auf der linken Seite, etwa 20 Meter über der Donau, diente einem ganz anderen Zweck. Sie war das Versteck der Donauräuber.
The cave on the left-hand side, about 20 meters above the Danube, served quite a different purpose.
Ganz drei Wochen, aber es kann, muss man sagen, mal ein Bild dieses Jahr.
Bei mir ist genau umgekehrt. Bis 18. August.
Genau.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the real gorge, the narrowest and deepest part of the Danube in its course through Bavaria. The Danube is only 80 meters wide but 20 meters deep. The rock formation on the right, on top of it used to be the Roman town Riga. A leather suspension bridge is said to have spanned the Danube from this crack to the other side of the river. The Roman rock is about 100.
Vor uns bereits die älteste Benediktinerabtei Bayerns, das im Jahr 620 gegründete Kloster Weltenburg. Die wegen ihrer großartigen Barockausstattung berühmte Klosterkirche wurde 1720 erbaut.
The Asam brothers, and is famous for its great Barock decor. And Weltenburg, ladies and gentlemen, is also famous for its dark beer. The captain and his crew want to say goodbye to you. They wish you a pleasant stay in Weltenburg.
Take a drink.
Huh?
It's on video.
What do you want?
Barock Dunkle, best beer in the world.